What's up, guys? Welcome back to Manny Mechanics, and in these next couple minutes I'm going to be showing you guys how to change this cabin air filter on this 2015 Volkswagen Jetta diesel. So it's fairly simple. All you got to do is get on the passenger side of this floor well over here, and there's a panel right here that you have to remove, which is just held by two plastic screws. And to remove the screws, you just get a flathead screwdriver. I actually just went ahead and removed one before the video, so this is what it looks like. And then I'm just going to take off the second one here. And once the second plastic screw is out, I just pull out the panel. It's more of just like a foam. So after getting the foam panel out of the way, this is the housing for the cabin air filter. Now, in order to remove the filter, you have to remove this little panel on the bottom towards the right, and the filter just comes right out. And while you're removing the filter, just keep a mental note of how the filter looks, because when you're putting the new one in, you will know the exact direction. You'll know in a second here what I mean. So once I pull this filter out, one edge of it is actually tapered. So when you put the new one in, you want to make sure that you're putting it in the exact same way. See, as you can see right here on the top right hand side, it's tapered. So when you put the new one in, make sure it's exactly like this. As you can see, this filter is really old and dirty. I don't think it's been changed ever since the customer bought the car. And here's the brand new one. So I'm just going to install this new filter in the exact same direction that I took the old one out of. So slowly just work your way and putting it in. You don't want to damage the filter. Might be tricky in some areas. And once you get it in, just push it up and down a little bit so you know it's free and not being stuck anywhere. Then you just put the panel back on the bottom. So you just push it up and then you push it towards the left, and then it locks in place. And then the final step is just to put the foam panel back on, but I did not record that. But after you do that, you are good to go and on to the next.